building in public, guys. Dark side. The dark side. The dark side. Uh-oh. I can't press Control Z. Oh well. Let's make that red. And then clear. And then red. Boom. Red. Boom. Dark side. Uh-oh. Something hijacked my keyboard and mouse. So finish this up. Oh, I need to publish new version, right? Oh, it probably already did, actually. I probably already published it. Let's see how fast it is. Did it fail? Or was it submitted? Damn, guys. I got same day updates, guys. Same day updates. What's the diagram tool called? Do I have to host it? You could go to just Excalidraw. You can just go to Excalidraw right here, guys. Oh. Let me close this. It's interfering with my stuff. You just go to excalidraw.com and then open one of my projects. I hope I don't confuse this with a different one. I'm just going to do Sigma philosophy for now. And then bam. You can immediately see everything that I did for all this. Right. Makes sense. But this has to be in dark mode in this case. And then for their version, it doesn't support GIFs like mine does, and the colors like mine does. So I have my own version of Excalidraw that I run locally. Yeah, like their version has a ton of missing features, and I have my own. Yeah, this is my version. This is my version. I don't think I updated the source code though. Reset? Reset? Where? For who? Which company? Which company gave the reset? Which company gave the reset, operator? Who was it? Who done it? Who done it? Kimmy? Who done it? Who done it? So if you want, I just updated the source code. So if you want my version that has all these other features working on it, you could get it from me here. Not Codex, not Claude, none of them? Where is it? Where's the reset? Where's the reset? I don't see it on my screen. I'm still literally working. Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks for being a supporter of the stream. Appreciate you. Hello, not Kimmy. Hello, welcome. Not Kimmy, guys, not Kimmy. Switch to local clip factory. Web upload is broken in production. Every chunk parks the current convert button into a small 100 mega chunk. 0 clips reduced. Diagnosed. Live survives TikTok. How do you want the training the backlog? Pause with backlog for now. I don't want it to crash the stream. Testing. Okay, it's faster now. I don't know what that was doing, guys. That was just so slow. We fixed it. We fixed it, my dudes. We fixed it. Terminal fix. Okay, we have the UI still looks pretty bad. The UI components for the terminal still look pretty bad. Some of them, the buttons and layout, all scrunched together, don't really make sense when rendered in the web page. So I need you to take a look and do take some screenshots to review the design again. Make sure it's using liquid glass UI. Bro, what are you building right now? Okay. I am building SigmaShake.com. Bad. Scrunch. All scrunched. Alright, I need to look at and take some screenshots. Alright, boom. Screenshot, screen is a mess. Oh, my bad. My bad, guys. My bad. So much stuff on the screen. I was actually doing something crazier. I'm trying to make a YouTube video, but so many things are going on as I'm streaming. I can understand why BridgeMine goes offline so he could focus. So he could focus. All right, the dark side of building in public. About the dark side. The dark side of building in public. Right. We should have something involving here. Building. All right. Dark side. The dark side. The dark side. Let's see here. Good. If only you knew the power of the dark side. Which one? Which one do we use, guys? Dark side. The dark side. Everybody talks about the dark side. I like this one. I like this one. I like that one. The dark side of building in public. That looks pretty epic, guys. That looks pretty epic. Let's start with bots. Bots, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Bots. What do we do about these bots, guys? Bots. Bots everywhere. Uh-oh. It's debugging using this browser. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Bro. I want to follow you, but you're confusing me. Oh my god. This is exactly why I'm supposed to put follower mode only. But I'm willing to talk to you as a non-follower. You said, your first thing that you said was, what are you building? And I said, SigmaShake.com, which you probably may have not looked at. It's AI agent guardrails and safeguards. Force the tools your agent can use, block the unsafe commands before they run, and audit everything it does. It supports Claude Code, Codex, every single, AI agent that you could think of. Oops. I think my browser's being hijacked by Codex right now. Pretty much an example is, it runs a command to do something. You could force it to do something else because it used the wrong tool or something like that. Happens all the time. You could do it to block a dangerous command. So let's say there's prompt injection in your command or in the website. So when it attempts to fetch or execute that command, it gets blocked by my tool, right? And then if you're trying to figure out what your AI agent is doing, you know, it has audit logs to identify everything that happens. I meant I want to understand what you are doing. I am already subscribed a while ago. Okay. All right. Thank you for subscribing. So you're trying to understand what I am doing. Okay. The one thing that I'm doing is I'm trying to make a YouTube video. In the YouTube video, I should probably have something at the top saying I'm making a YouTube video. Making YouTube video. Live recording in progress. Live recording. Oh, I mean, everybody knows I'm live already. Right. I'm making a YouTube video. What's the best color, guys? What's the best color? Here. All right. Making a YouTube video. In this video, which I'm sort of recording a session right now, using this live stream as a recording session, I'm revealing what no one tells you about building in public. I should remove that period over there. OCD. I'm going to answer why I build in public. It should be capitalized. Specifically on Twitch and YouTube. I'm going to tell you how I got my first viewer. How I gained my first daily viewer. How I went from 0 to 1 user of my product. And then going from 1 to 100 followers. Followers? Subscribers? Let's do that. Also, I do have a like goal of 100 likes on this video. Also, wait. Also, if you have to hit, okay, what's this? If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Would appreciate it. Appreciate the support to make more of these kinds of videos. All right. Hopefully that's gonna be, it's a little too long. And then I have a subscribe goal of 1 million on every platform. On every platform. I also have a Discord. It's in the description below. All right. Got that all from BridgeMind. Okay. Raise support. It's a signal to let me know to make more videos. All right. Boom. Now we did most of the grunt work of what I'm going to say, and then I'm also going to be talking about the dark side. The dark side. Goal. We'll just make this a big goal here. A big goal, a big giant goal here. A big one, guys, a big one. All right, a big goal, guys. Reach a million subscribers on YouTube. That's the goal, guys, 1 million. Right? So let's talk about the dark side of building in public. Bots everywhere, guys, everywhere. Talk about bots. You know, there's different types of bots out there. Some people don't know about them. They spam stuff. They, what do you call it? Fake followers. Which may or may not be too bad. They're fake viewers. Majority of the internet was based on these type of things as well. No interaction rate. No, what's that thing called? No interactions. No interactions. So you're literally just talking. You could still just be one person talking to yourself, streaming, which is not good either. And it's all just fake, guys. It's fake. It's not fake news, but it's just fake. But why you worry with this stuff? What do you mean? It's a YouTube video. It's just the dark side of stuff. No interactions. I mean, just do vibe coding streams. Vibe coding streams are boring. What are you talking about? They're boring. YouTube is where it's at. YouTube is where it's at. And I'm not sure if have you seen some of my videos? Most of my content has been to helping people, create a product using AI, launch a product using AI, finding a way to market your product after you create your product. And then now I'm just telling you, like, what are the details of building in public, because I've been doing it for the past. So the whole thing, the only reason I was doing this is I wanted an intro for another video called A Self-Reflection of Streaming in Public for 87 Days. It was meant to be for this video, and I was like, oh, I don't have an intro for my video. And so I was just practicing, what other people are doing. Can we watch that? I don't know. You gotta wait for it first. You have to wait. You gotta wait. I still have to do all this. Because watching your videos does not translate to any additional followers. It's not like Asmongold, guys. Can't be just reacting to videos all the time, unless. But let me see what the title is for a bit. I'll give a chance. Unless I get that one short reaction, guys. Unless that video allowed me to pop off like that TikTok video, then I'll watch it. Otherwise, most likely not. Alameda went from open source, the biggest villain. 30 seconds? Okay, fine. Wait, or is that an ad of 30 seconds? That must be an ad of 30 seconds, huh? No way in heck that's a 30-second video. That's 24 minutes. Yeah. And it's really old. So I don't really want to watch that one. I don't want to watch that one. But nice try. It's okay. It's okay. Just trying to be helpful here. Like me, come in the screen, will not understand anything what's going on, and will leave. Well, that's when you start asking a question. Usually, when people come in and they're new, I usually direct them to my videos. Because if you don't know how to vibe code yet, I have plenty of content. On how to properly vibe code. You just go to my YouTube videos, and I have plenty of comment that if you don't like the live stream format, you could also view all these, right? How I build a business with Claude, Code, and Codex, so that idea to first customer. My 24/7 Claude, Code, and Codex workflow. I have a story of how I got banned from vibe coding Discord and direct users to create their own community. I talk about my tech stack. And then I also talk about how to master vibe coding. I have a way to be productive vibe coding. How I created my vibe coding community. And then how to market your vibe coded product for free. So I have content here. If you don't understand like what I'm doing, I have it here. I am looking for Vibecoding stream. I am Vibecoder, just want to watch for fun. Yeah, and some of the things here that I have to do, especially for YouTube, is make videos. If I don't make videos, I get no money. And Vibecoding, there's a limit on what Vibecoding is. Like, why do you think Bridgemind is only streaming for 3 hours? 2 hours. 2 hours, technically just 2 hours, and that's it. Because the rest of the time he's making YouTube videos. Because he understands that Vibecoding all the time, you're just gonna be burning money. You're gonna be burning money, you're gonna be burning tokens, and you need to chill. You can't just be coding all the time. Unless you have unlimited tokens. What's this? What's this? Stop tier. Let's see. It went on a loop. It went on a loop. Oh. This is smart. Okay, cancel here. I got it. This is for goal clear. Yeah, but I definitely vibe code. It's just I vibe code so quickly that I don't even need to check on it anymore. It just works in the background. And then what I do for the rest of the time is I make stuff. Build an app or something on stream and you'll get eyeballs and sell it. Yeah, I built several apps already. I don't need to be doing it all the time. And that's also not true. That's not true. Building an app on stream, that's not true. Because I've been building an app on stream for the past, what, 87 days? I got 0 people viewing the stream. The only reason people are viewing the stream is because I was able to market several different ways that that most do not. An example is I've made over 100 services. Over 100 services. Oops, I guess this is broken. Let me see. I gotta figure that out. Yeah, it's still being worked on. Never mind. I have 100 services. I guess I could just show the code that I have 100. Yeah, I have several individual services that I made. And the total, I think, is like 101 services. Most stored on, you know, Cloudflare. Most of them are also running the stream as well. And so I don't code much on stream because I already use my tokens to serve these, to create these services. And that doesn't get me views at all. Creating apps does not get me views. It's just the reality. It's just the reality on stream. What gets me views is education. Education gets me views. Teaching gets me views. Building an app does not get me views. You would know if you streamed too. You would know if you built in public too. So yeah, going back to the dark side of building in public. The trolls. The trolls, guys, the trolls. What do they do, guys? What do they do? They try to do everything. Huh? Oh, I have to do this. Okay, maybe bro, you know better. I think about it. Okay. Thank you for the sub. Everything that bots do. And more. More. Everything that bots do. And more. Guys. They do more than just, you know, spam on these things. They spam you on Discord, guys. They message you in Discord. In socials. They message you in socials. They say really, really weird stuff. Messages. Stuff in the chat. Like really weird stuff in the chat, guys. Like stuff that you shouldn't even read. Stuff that you shouldn't even read, guys. Reminds me of this, guys. How should I say, like, describe this in a single image? It's like forbidden stuff, guys. Let's see, forbidden knowledge. Let's see here. I think it's just super vulgar. Let's see, vulgar. Let's see if we find something there. No. No, no, no. Yeah, forbidden's probably a word. It's probably weird stuff. Forbidden stuff, guys. Forbidden. It's so forbidden, guys. I had to the thing, I'm gonna put like what to do, or at least what I do. I just filter the chat to the max. Peep in general. I filter the chat to the max, guys. When people are saying those weird out-of-pocket stuff, it's just straight up to max. And then if they are still able to get through that, guys, I just ban them everywhere. Everywhere, guys. And I talk about this in my other video about building a community. You immediately just ban them. Don't give them any space in your head. We talk about this. Mental health, guys. The last thing you want is someone talking smack, and you know it affects your brain, guys. It affects your brain. So what we do in the world of Dota, at least in the world of Dota, when somebody is talking trash and smack, you just mute them, guys. You just mute them. You mute them, guys. Don't give them a chance. Ban them everywhere. Mute them. All right, they're not welcome anymore. And then not to mention, guys, when this happens, they start messaging you in socials, right? They start trying to, like, even, what do you call it? They start doxing you, try to dox you. Nowadays it's illegal, but dox, try to dox, you know, talking about like your IP address, IP, phone, address, right? And then, you know, another thing too that I didn't mention about here is your identity. Identity exposed. It's exposed, guys. That's another thing I forgot. Your identity is exposed, guys. Possibly. Possibly. Where's it go? Where's a good one? Exposed. Identity. Identity exposed. Some people quit here, guys. Some people quit here, but if you believe in your product and you want to be, you know, sell, you have to have to risk that. You have to risk that. I wonder if I could fit this somewhere. Bots, trolls, identity. Let's put that over here. I have to go later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you being honest about stuff. Some people just leave. Some people just leave. Yeah. Take care. Thank you. Good luck to you too. I didn't get to catch what you were working on, but you know, next time you pop in, you can tell me. Yeah, and continuing on. When you have this identity being leaked, you know, that gives you fear of not streaming because of the docs, guys. That gives you the docs. That is